So if you don't know how to flat twist, I'm not sure this video is for you, but I really hope the video is for you because I'm trying my best to do this, make this a tutorial, but my lights, my phone storage, nothing was really working well. In short, my hair was so matted. I had to start the video like detangling my hair. If you guys can see from last week's video, I took down my hair, and after I took down my hair, I left my hair down for like a while. Then my hair shrunk inside. Then now I have to detangle it. Well, I'll just be using my pomade which I showed previously, my parting comb and my white tooth comb. I'm going to be using a leave-in spray. And yeah, let's go into sectioning. Sectioning, the way I'm sectioning things is how I want my flat twist to go. So I always say you should start from sectioning from the middle of your head to the back of your neck. The reason why is going to help you if you are not a hairdresser and you're just trying to do the thing by yourself. You're just trying to get the heck of it. So now that I've divided my hair into two, it's easier for me to divide the other section into smaller sections. Remember, I'm doing flat twist or cornrows if you want to call it. So that's why it's from my face to my back. I want to give you a big tip if you are flat twisted. Make sure you flat twist the direction you want it to go. It's going to help it to lay flat. So flat twist is the direction you want it to go. I'm going to explain better about fingers in the next clip, but make sure that you are flat twisting in the way you want it to go. Also, another tip I want to share with you is to flat twist in smaller sections. I'm doing bigger sections because my hair is very, very, very full. This smaller section came out better than the bigger section, so do smaller sections.
Far from where we started.
Today is 17th of August. Today is my mom's birthday. This week I celebrated my sister's birthday. This week has been a whole lot because of I was volunteering for something. I'm so happy because I told myself, I shared on Instagram that I'm going to show up no matter what. Like the art of showing up is very important to show up because I learn better when I show up. Because by procrastinating now, I'm likely to procrastinate again. This video is dedicated to Don't Clap. What's up, Billion Gang? It's Divine and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My light is about to die. I am back and I've charged my battery. You know what? One crazy thing that just happened? I was charging the battery for like literally almost 2 hours. I came back into the room thinking that my battery was charged, only for me to see that the socket wasn't on. Yes. Very, very annoying. And I really want to upload this video. This is do or die today. I know that people are not going to be online, and it really helps the algorithm for people to be online when you post a video. But you know what? This video is a submission of don't care. I'm going to go against the algorithm. I'm using the comb. I'm using my leave-in conditioner. I already twisted my hair, so I'm just working with the sections and retwisting it for this new week because this is already 1 week old. If you want to part your hair by yourself, start from the middle to the middle of your nose here. Go to the back of your neck. So you now have two sides. You get it. I really hope it's very explanatory if you are listening to what I'm saying. From your nose to the back of your neck. Then you have two sides. When you work with those two sides, when you have two sides, part it another section from your eyebrow and this side, your two eyebrows. If you want it in big sections like me, because my hair is very big. But if you want smaller sections, you can still make it smaller. So that would be like 3 braids. So each line, 1 braid or 4 braids, second braid, third braid, fourth braid. Yeah. When you're done doing that, you can come to the side. So to the side, your back hair is going to be a little. You're just taking a little till you get to the middle. Do you get it? Yes, I hope you get it. I'm just going to start twisting and I'm going to just do a voiceover. I really hope I can try with the voiceover because voiceovers are not really my thing.
Like sipping an overcame. We're far from where we started. When things were getting harder. I'm trying to feel your pain. I know I'm pretty stubborn, but you're also pretty stubborn.
To be very honest with you, the video I intended to upload this week was how to do a glow up on your hair because I really need it and I feel like my sisters need it too. They might need it in future. Honestly, lately always been considering my sisters, even though I know my sisters don't really watch my videos, but I believe that it will be helpful to people one way or the other. So if you guys really want a hair glow up, let me know in the comment section. Alright, so we're done taking down this section. Let me try and show you guys how you do it. So you see, my hair is long and you can see You can see the root of my hair. You can literally see the root of my hair. If you look at my scalp, I had build up in that area because I used black soap to wash my hair last time I did my wash day. So you see, you need this 6 fingers when you're braiding or flat twisting, when you're weaving or flat twisting. You see, even if you are doing a regular single twist, I have a tutorial, I have a video which I'll try to link. If you don't know how to do a regular twist, a regular single strand twist, single 2 strand twist, make sure you check out that video because you need to understand how to 2 strand twist if you want to learn how to flat twist. It will make it easier for you to understand. I'll try my best explaining. I'm not the best at tutorials. I always say that in my videos, and that's why I rarely do this type of things. I rather sit down and talk. But I know it's going to be helpful to somebody. I was thinking of putting a dummy in front of me so I can explain it again. But if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. I'll answer. So there's one tip I also want to share before I end this video, and that tip is to use your left and right hand. I use my right hand. Some people use their left hand like they are lefties, but if you're a righty like me, what I do, because of my hair is very long, when I'm corn rolling or I'm flat twisting, I'm usually using my left hand to detangle, because when you're corn rolling, you're weaving upwards, or you're corn rolling upwards, even if you're cornrowing or flat twisting invertedly. Like when I say invertedly, like from the side or on top the braid. So as I said, you have to understand how to braid or twist before you can flat twist. So make sure that you're using one hand to be dividing the section. When you do stitch braids, you're literally taking little by little, you're adding little by little. I hope that makes sense. I really hope this is helpful.